wait. When you get to Matthew, stop. When you get to Matthew.
My kids are fabulous. I have Liam, first of all. Liam is 7, and he is a little bit more on the serious side. Then there's Matthew, and oh my sweet, sweet Matthew, who is the biggest love bug you'll ever meet. Matthew has autism and a few other disabilities.
Nope, you're done? That was pretty good.
And then Addie, who we call our 3-nager. She is a handful and a half, but a source of joy in our lives.
Oh, yeah. Not all. Don't put the whole thing.
Oh, yeah. It's a disaster.
What are you looking for? Okay, come on, let's go down. Matthew.
My whole life, I've been one of those people that's really driven by habits, by routine, by structure. And my challenge now is to back off of expectations. And my life is very uncertain.
Come on, let's go, Piggy. Piggy.
Instead of now looking at milestones that he should be reaching, I have decided that I just need to focus on working towards the little victories. And what was once dreaded has now become a gift and a blessing in our life. I actually think that this is one of the ways that God is refining me. It requires ultimate flexibility, and I'm so inflexible. It drives me crazy. But we're getting there, we're working on it. I am a wife. I am a mother to 3 fabulous children. I crave structure and predictability, and yet I'm learning to thrive with the unpredictable. My name is Julie Hilliard, and I'm a Mormon.